West Virginia, sounding good up here in Maine. 122, state of Maine, waving.
Yeah, 122, 308 Illinois, waving. Oh, Johnny.
Well, Illinois, you just jumped right up in there. I missed the numbers, but definitely heard you loud and proud. Bring them back. 122, state of Maine.
Yeah, 122. B308 right here in Illinois, waving your way.
I believe you said 298 Illinois. You're going to wave a hand right back at you there. Sounding good over here. Oh, Mother Nature's dipping and dabbing, but hey, you're definitely walking on through.
That's what's right here, 122. All right, 122.
Roger, Roger. 308, you and yours have yourself a good day. 122, state of Maine. You'll be back out. Bye-bye.
Hey, 122. Hey, 122. 60. 122. About a 122. 427.
Oh, we got a rough copy, but 127. 127, you made it through the Keys, no doubt. 122, state of Maine, waving right back at you. One shot, we got a copy, no doubt. 122, state of Maine, trying to kick it back.
You making it back to the first. 235, first line.